Hello everyone, good evening and welcome to MG Global again. Today I am going to show you a affordable segment budget residential complex near Kolkata International Airport. Just 20 to 25 minutes drive from Kolkata International Airport, and this is at North Kolkata location, and you can see this is the central garden area of the project, in which you are getting this football ground. Also these children parks are there. These are the children's parks. Every facilities and amenities are there in the project, and the project is having total 26 number of towers, in which we are having approximately 14 acres of land parcel. The gap between towers, you can see the minimum gap between towers is 25 feet to 30 feet, and the main USP of the project is facing towards the water body. This water body is having excellent view from our apartments, and all the apartments are mainly either south facing or water body facing or garden facing. And these are the promenades we are developing. These are the promenades we are developing. This huge promenade of around 200-meter promenade we are developing. And not only that, we are having 2 BHK affordable segments starting from 720 square feet to 800 square feet, and 3 BHK sizes are starting from 980 to 990 square feet. And let's see one apartment. You can see these are our car parking space on the ground floor level, and we are having all pocket gardens in this project. So we are having total 12 number of pocket gardens in this project. As you can see, this is another beautiful pocket garden. You can see lot of green spaces in the project, lot of flowers. We have planted lot of trees in this project, and you can see this beautiful architecture and the cranes. You are seeing this, and you can also see the elevation of the building. These are all G+5 elevation. So if you are looking for a investment in Kolkata, in North Kolkata specifically, then this is the best option for you, because we are giving you affordable segment budget homes in this project. So if you take this as investment purpose, you can keep it in rent, and you can earn a hefty amount monthly from your investment. And not only that, this project is located on National Highway. So great connectivity from the project. You can easily access airport, and as well as Madhamgram, as well as the nearest railway station is Barasat Junction railway station, and the nearest metro station is airport upcoming metro station. And IT sector, Salt Lake Sector 5 is just about 40 to 45 minutes driving distance from this project. And the direct buses, AC buses are also there in this project, which will connect you to Sector 5 Salt Lake as well as Bishwa Bangla Gate, New Town. So connectivity wise, the project is excellent, and the handover of this project will be on 2024 December, and we have already given handovers for some of the towers. The phase 1 is absolutely ready to move in condition right now, and this is phase 2. As you can see, the handover will be in 2024 December only. So you can see this is another pocket garden. This is entirely dedicated for children's. This is a children's park, and as you can see, these are our building elevations. The project is having all facilities and amenities. All 5-star facilities and amenities are given. Not only that, we are providing you a toy train facility in this project. And you can also see this is our project gate entry. That's on main highway, National Highway, which connects Siliguri corridor from this Kolkata. And also we are coming up with commercial building. On that commercial building, we are having banks, ATMs, commercial shops, grocery stores, medicine stores, medical chambers, all will be available on that commercial hub. And the project is great for investment. So now let me mention you about the price. The price of the project is starting from only 26 lakhs for 2 BHK, and for 3 BHK 980 square feet onwards we are starting the price only 36 lakhs onwards. So if you're really interested to get a best investment in Kolkata, to get rental income, then this is the opportunity for you. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. See you soon. Goodbye.